Zdravo, zdravo, kako se šta je opet kada ako nego muzičkата emisija Hard and Heavy se naoѓаме место тоа злосторството, се наоѓаме на северот од Балканот, се наоѓаме во Словенија, се наоѓаме на Metal Days и тоа, значи покрај мене тука се наоѓаат момчиња и девојки кои допрва ветуваат и негуваат металкор и доаѓаат од Холандија. Станува збор за бендот For I'm the King.
Yes.
First, welcome to the TV show Hard and Heavy Macedonian TV show.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having us.
Yeah. Tell me, you're a young band and how you started and where?
I think we started, we already were in a band before with each other, and we just wanted to be a little bit more metal because the former band was metalcore, more metal, hardcore metal. That's when we started, like 2014. Yeah, like 3 years ago, 3.5 years ago.
We asked our friend Jaap, the drummer, to join us, and Wouter, the other guitarist, was still in the band. And our former bass player Joel, he used to also play in other bands when we were friends with each other. And we said, let's start a new metal band, and that's how we started.
Based on friendship, we already knew each other, and it's an important thing when you spend a lot of time with each other to be friends, to have fun, to laugh, to maybe endure lesser times, but still laugh. Yeah. That's the base of the band.
Yeah. You have the one album, I think so, with debut album could have been last year, 2016.
Yes,
The Beat Demons.
Yes.
And tell me where you're recording and.
Demons, we recorded actually on ourselves.
Like at home.
Yeah, at home.
Like at home.
Our former bass player Jasper of
Blue Steel
Blue
Audio.
Steel Audio.
Yeah.
Sorry for my. He did all the production.
I think we
and the
recorded
recording.
the drums in like a small room at a place, and we all recorded the guitars just at home, also the bass. That's it. Vocals in
a studio.
Yeah, like a
studio.
small studio. Yeah. That's it.
Why you take it the metalcore for the style?
Actually we say it's simple, just metal.
Yeah.
But you are hearing the metalcore influences.
You have the influence. Listen to them.
And I think we're all we have a little bit of hardcore in our we love hardcore.
Yeah, I grew up listening to Metallica, Slayer, Iron Maiden by my brothers, and I started to listen to hardcore like the Dutch No Turning Back, but it's also the metalcore like Born from Pain, and that influenced my writing for I'm King. Like, I think in the roots we're hardcore, but also metal, so metalcore.
You mixed it.
Yeah.
But why you take it the name for
I'm King? It's a quote from a movie. Yeah.
A movie? A
Yeah.
scary movie or?
No. Like a king movie.
King movie?
like knights on horses. Yeah.
Historian king,
And we just were looking
Actually,
for
your
not.
wife,
Yeah, my wife mentioned it, like from the movie, and we were looking for a band name, just not like with blood or something like that. Not okay, but still we wanted to sound a little bit different. The name.
Yeah.
It's.
we said for I'm King of Queens.
Yeah. I understand. And
But everybody's saying, hey, why it's not for I'm Queen?
Yeah.
And I said, because I'm the king of the queens.
King of the Queens. Yeah.
Just kidding.
I understand. It's a joke. But it doesn't matter. Tell me who are the lyrics.
The lyrics, our former bass player wrote the lyrics, and and I did also writing, some writing,
And where did you take the inspiration?
Actually, from Demons, it was we wanted to have some myths, some old myths involved, and didn't want to go too deep like very personal. We wanted to make it like for everybody to
enjoy the music, because it's about the music, to let the people enjoy it, not to focus on things that are negative only.
But where you take it the inspiration for the music?
For the music, like a lot of bands we love. That's the inspiration, like Arch
You
Enemy,
get
like
influence,
At the Gates, but also like Hatebreed and August Burns Red, Parkway Drive. That's our SLA Dying, Darkest Hour.
Yeah.
That's our inspiration. Yeah, just music, things in life, just writing music in our room, riffing, loads of riffing.
Yeah. We even plan in the future, because the debut album, the band was here. Maybe you have the new material. Or?
Maybe, yes, yeah. No, but we're writing new stuff, and we're planning to write another album. So that's for now the future plans. Writing a new album and take this cool experience to another level.
Yeah, another step, another level. But tell me, be the same style, just like
we will be
first album, Demons.
we will be For I'm King, and maybe
We will
evolve.
I don't think we will really be different, but still try to be different a little bit. Yeah.
A little bit, a step higher again.
Next step.
Next step, yes. Also in writing and in the style of the music. We grow as a band, so the music has to grow as well. I think.
The lyrics, the beat, the same stuff.
I think it's going to be different, a little bit different. Yeah.
Like
Lyric. Yeah.
Maybe the big conception or.
I think it's not gonna be the total different, but it's gonna be a mix. A mix between what was on Demons and maybe a little bit more personal.
You have video promotion clips for the first album?
On YouTube you can find a lot of video clips on YouTube, like from our first EP, but also from Demons. You can find it on YouTube, also on Spotify Music.
You have a label, but independent.
Redfield Records right now. From Germany, a German record label, and really nice guys, and that's from our album Demons.
This summer you'll be only the festivals?
Actually, we're playing also club shows.
Like we played in Czech Republic on a festival like Fight Fest. Like on Friday it was really awesome, and on Saturday we play in Slovakia, and on Sunday we play Budapest. Then today, like yesterday, we had a day off to travel here, and today we played here. And then we have a few days off to write new music in the mountains. Like the mountains inspire us. And then on Saturday we hopefully play in Munich on a festival. And then we play some Dutch festivals. And
it's amazing. You're very busy. And after in Europe only.
We play like in October some Dutch festivals, like shows, club shows, and a small festival. And November, December already booked. But not announced yet. So
it's going to be a surprise. We have some surprises coming up.
You have a surprise.
Yes.
The surprise is coming, and the busy band, and step by step to go into the faster.
Let's hope it.
And tell me, for the end, what do you like to say for Macedonian metal fans?
What do I want to say? Just thank you so much for this interview, and we hope we will play lots of shows.
Hopefully one day in Macedonia.
Like
we have a friend from Macedonia.
Vicky.
Vicky. She lives in Amsterdam or Den Haag now.
I think in Amsterdam.
In Amsterdam, yeah.
We would
She
love
always-
to-
Every year she goes back in Macedonia,
Yeah?
and I see the pictures, and I'm like,
Oh,
we
it's
have
amazing.
to.
You
So
must
beautiful.
come, yeah.
Yeah.
It
Where
looks
come
so.
from Skopje or another town? Maybe you remember.
I don't know actually.
I don't know.
And
Okay,
right now,
no
she
problem.
once mentioned it, but maybe you can help us to come to Slovenia.
Yeah, or to Macedonia.
Macedonia.
Oh, Macedonia, sorry.
Sorry,
Because
we're in
no
Slovenia.
problem.
Slovenia.
No problem.